Hello, my name is Mira and I am Kiran playing the guitar.
Hi, my name is Izuna and I am particularly captivated by photography and art.
Hello, my name is Vasily and I am captivated by music and learning languages.
Hello, my name is Aita. I'm interested in scientific research and my project is based on Sakha literature.
Hello, my name is Sahina and I'm interested in learning languages. In the future, I want to become a teacher of some foreign language.
Hello, my name is Alina. I am particularly captivated by singing and songwriting.
Hi, my name is Diana. I am interested in social studies and I have a question. What are your first impressions of Yakutsk?
My name is Jonathan. I'm from Indonesia and... Oh, I answered the question? It's very cold here. It's nothing like Indonesia where every day is 30 degrees.
Mathematics. I play music and basketball too. Thank you.
My name is Kenneth Samuel Jasmine. I'm from Indonesia as well. My school is КЫＨАТА West Campus. I'm from Surabaya. It's a city in Indonesia. And my hobby is studying computer.
Hello, first of all I want to say that we are so happy to see you here. This is an unforgettable experience for us. We all know that you are interested in research projects and we are looking forward to share ideas of your projects.
Yes, since my research was doing with feces, meaning it's organic substances that contain bacteria, that makes it a bit unpredictable because it's not something we can control. Feces in particular is affected by what we eat.
So, do you have any questions or I need to explain it again?
We already tried this game.
Okay. You can try to play it.
You have to master that. Like that.
Say stand in line by something, you have to stand in line as quickly as possible. So what team does it the quickest will be the winner. For example, stand in line by your height. The tallest stands first, the shortest stands last. No, not now, it's just an example. We're not playing yet.
Девушки, Карина, вы миксуйте с другими группами. Орешки
Jump on your one leg.
Jump on your left, guys. Smart people geser-geser.
The school feels, if we compare it with Indonesia, it's very different. This school makes me feel at home.